The next crypto bull market is going to be here soon. And before you click out of this video or comment below, I'm going to show you exactly what I mean right now. We're in the middle of a bear market. Here's Bitcoin on the long-term charts. We have the all-time high back here in November 2021. I'm going to show you where the bull market doors are, where Bitcoin needs to break to enter the next bull market. It's a swing high, all-time high, to the bear market low so far. And by the way, whether or not you think crypto has bottomed, up for debate, but whether that's here or down here, 12,000, doesn't really matter. The bull market doors in a very similar area. We have the bull market doors right around the 786, 58,000 to the 618, around 49, 50,000. Everybody, those are the bull market doors, and it's right around the corner. Now, I say that because it feels like yesterday we were in the bear market of 2018 and I was recording YouTube videos. And since then, we've exited that bear market. We've gone on to crazy all-time highs and we've entered a brand new bear market. It happened so quick and it all happened on this chart zoomed out. So, and this is what I mean. This is the last bull market high of 2017 to the bear market low. Here's Bitcoin breaking the bull market doors in November of 2020, that green Fibonacci. I remember doing a video on it. This all happens so fast. Time flies by. So when I say the bull market doors are going to be here soon, it really is. We're in the middle of a bear market. And with time moving so fast and cycles moving so fast and crypto moving so fast, there's only so much time to prepare. Now, more importantly, I want to underline this video by saying, be careful. Because there's a lot of short-term noise, short-term headlines that can distract from the macro long-term opportunity, the macro long-term vision. And I want to show you a couple of reasons why that is. And we're actually going to dig into some really awesome data to discuss where Bitcoin is in this bear market right now and why you should be careful. Here's number one. We're in the month of October. Why I'm buying Bitcoin in October. This is on fool.com. Motley Fool. So during Bitcoin's existence, October has produced an increase of almost 27%, and Bitcoin has posted a decline in just 3 of the last 10 years. Sounds good. Overall, October looking really good for Bitcoin, but did you notice that? A decline in just 3 of the last 10 years. Now, why is that? Could it have anything to do with bear markets and the fact that right now it's October and we're in a bear market? Should we maybe pay attention to that and not just this narrative that October is a green month? So that's kind of rule number one, everybody. Be careful with kind of this surface narrative that we see, not just in regards to October, but other data points. And we're going to look at another on-chain metrics data point. Be very careful of this October right now as I do this video. So if we look at October and we go back to this Bitcoin chart, we're in October. It would be nice. I get it. An October rally, maybe it happens, right? There's still like a week and a half left of this month. Maybe we get the rally, but we're in October. We're in a bear market. Let's look at October of a previous bear market. Here's October 2018. This is interesting because there was no rally. So we can cherry pick bullish October data all we want, but so far it's actually looking like bear market Octobers. They're not so fun. They're not so friendly. Not only that, this October 2018 was right before Bitcoin finally fell below this macro 786, which is a move that I've been anticipating. Now, I realize I might sound kind of bearish, right? I'm just like, bottom's not in yet. I'm thinking we're going under that 786, but I'm extremely bullish on crypto. I need to mentally prepare myself for bearish things in bear markets. And when I have data that suggests that it could very well go down and the macroeconomic environment is not very good right now, I have to prepare for those things. I have to talk about those things and actually even maybe highlight those things more. While it's not financial advice, everybody, this is my journey. This is what I'm tracking. This is the data that I'm personally absorbing, and I want to share it with you. And it's fun for me to kind of do this and talk through these things. So that's October data, but let's dig into more October data because here's another headline. Bitcoin fails to rally, with stocks as $940 million of the crypto is pulled from exchange, favored by institutions. This is October 18th. This is just yesterday. That sounds pretty bullish. Crypto getting pulled off of exchanges is generally a bullish thing. But on what time frame? On Tuesday, some 48,000 Bitcoin moved off Coinbase Pro, a favored exchange among institutional investors. Check this out. The outflow was the biggest among crypto exchanges since crypto's big crash in June of this year and the second largest of all time. Exchange outflows suggest investors are withdrawing their crypto from exchanges and shifting from selling mode to accumulating mode. You can't even get much more bullish than that, can you, in the middle of a bear market? It's like we're in this bear market. You assume people are accumulating, right? Big money accumulating, and now they're taking their crypto off of exchanges, meaning they're really not planning on selling. They're looking to hold. That's bullish, right? Let's look. Let's see. Here's some June data, right? In regards to this chart, you can see that spike right there on the exchange net flow chart right here in June, and you go to a Bitcoin chart, and you can even see, look what that led to, right? Here's June, led to a nice rally. Okay. Let's actually go to Crypto Quant and let's look at. So here's Bitcoin exchange net flow. This is total all exchanges, and we're gonna get a nice visualization here. But real quick, the difference between coins flowing into and out of exchange, right, is inflow minus outflow equals net flow. Positive value indicates reserve increasing. For spot exchange, high value indicates increasing selling pressure. So we're looking for the opposite of that, which is what this narrative is. We're getting the opposite of that. So you can kind of see in red here, right? These red bars, it's looking pretty good, especially when you compare it to what happened back here in June. So you can kind of see June right there, that spike. But again, what I want to do is the same thing that we did surrounding this October data. Well, what in environments that Bitcoin has been in, that it is in right now in the charts, what does this net flow data tell us, right? So naturally, I went to October 2018 because I was curious, right? Because again, if we go back to October 2018 and you see Bitcoin just capitulating and falling, what was happening right here with on-chain data? We go to that chart. Let's really zoom in here, and this is what we're looking at. So here's that big fall in November to December, and here's October kind of sideways. And look at this. Even then, you can see in red a little spike, quite a big spike actually. And so if at that time we're getting very similar on-chain metrics that we're getting right now, and that didn't lead to a rally, it actually was right before capitulation and the bottoming of a bear market. I think when we're seeing headlines like this and exchange net flows and this data is happening, I think we should be careful. Now, I have to say, this isn't me saying this happened in 2018 with similar data. You know, same thing with the green October data. This is going to happen again. We're about to capitulate. I'm not saying that. Everything that I'm saying kind of comes with this thing, and it's for me personally, just be careful. Don't get so wrapped up in these shorter term data points, especially if they're cherry picked and they just kind of tell us a bullish story, because at the other side of every bullish story, guess what? There's potentially a bearish story. And there's bearish data that can back it up as well. And we just looked at that, right? So it's the same thing as always, everybody. Nobody knows what will happen next, but now is the time to prepare. We know what the data on the chart say. We know what the data says in terms of on-chain metrics. And we sit here in this bear market and we say, okay, we are where we are. We can only just make the best decisions possible given potential upside, right? Given the potential October rally, or given October actually plays out like similar bear market Octobers and crypto capitulates and finds its bottom finally. A lot of that may be coming off the back of traditional markets and the state of the world and everything that's going on right now. It is in play. I am prepared for it. The thing is though, when you zoom out on this chart, one thing is true. This bear market, we're in the middle of it. Whether it's bottomed already or it's going to bottom, there's really even if there's months, it's not that long. There's not that much time. And so for me, I want to prepare for the bull market because I really do think that it's going to happen soon. So again, this isn't financial advice. This is just data I'm tracking. I hope it's valuable. I hope it's helpful to you. Hit the subscribe if you're not a subscriber because I'm getting excited as we work our way through this bear market. I'll see you in the next video. God bless.